We start with the equation times squared plus 2 times plus 2 times plus equals 0. This is our starting math sentence. We need this to find the answer. We will use the divided by dx method on both sides. We do this to find how the parts change. The rule says we can do the same thing to both sides of an equation. We apply divided by dx to times squared plus 2 times plus and also to 0. We do this to start finding the rate of change. This follows the rule that we must treat both sides the same way. We look at the rules for divided by dx of to the power of and divided by dx of to the power of. We use these to know how to change each part. The rule says the power comes down and the new power is 1 less than before. We apply the power rule to times squared plus 2 times plus equals 0. We do this to change every term one by one. Each term follows its own math rule for changing. We find that times squared becomes 2 times and times squared becomes 2 times divided by. We also find that 2 times becomes 2 and 2 times becomes 2 times divided by and becomes 0. We do this to see the new value for every part. This follows the power rule for each piece. We write the result as 2 times plus 2 times divided by plus 2 times divided by equals 0. We do this to show our new equation. This is the result of changing all the terms. We plan to group the divided by terms together and move the other parts to the other side. We do this to get divided by itself. We will use math rules to move things from one side to the other. We move 2 times and 2 to the other side to get 2 times divided by plus 2 times divided by equals negative 2 times minus 2. We do this to put the divided by parts on one side. When we move term to the other side, its sign changes. We factor out divided by from the terms on the left to get divided by times the quantity 2 times plus 2 equals negative 2 times the quantity times plus. We do this to have only one divided by. This is the rule for grouping common parts together. We divide both sides by the quantity 2 times plus 2 to get divided by equals negative 2 times minus 2 divided by 2 times plus 2. We do this to get divided by all alone. Dividing both sides by the same thing keeps the equation true. We cancel the factor of 2 from the top and the bottom. We do this to make the answer look cleaner. When you divide number by itself, it becomes 1. We find the final answer is divided by equals negative 1 times the quantity times plus divided by times plus. This is our finished math sentence. We have successfully gotten divided by itself.